everyone. If you have any loved one with respiratory disease, you know very well. Life is not easy for those people. They have to visit clinics for breathing tests, and it is not a pleasant experience. Aren't you sick and tired of going to the hospital to check your breathing test? I sure am. Woof, 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 woof. Me 3. It's not me 3, it's me 3. Meow. Well, scientists have made your life 10 times easier. Spirohome is a clever device which helps you to make your breathing test at home. And amazingly, you can send your results to your caregiver with your mobile phone. You can continue playing with your cat and have your test at the same time. Yes, the life is beautiful with the help of technology. Thanks, Spirohome.